Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Smart FourFour Prime Sport. This car comes with the 900cc petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to a very impressive 67 miles to the gallon. The car's covered just over 51,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic cool silver and looks in good condition for age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, being the Prime Sport, you get a very high level of features. These include the leather seats. The front seats are also heated, and there's an armrest there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. The car also has climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, and on the driver's door card there you have your electric mirror and front window controls. One particular feature I do like is this car's also got the two sunroofs as well, so that lets in plenty of light. For such a small car, you have a decent amount of legroom and headroom there in the back for two passengers. There's some storage there in the centre, as well as a cup holder as well. Opening the tailgate reveals the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the original owner's manual there as well. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the black multi-spoke alloy wheels, rear parking sensors and a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.